Sisel International is known around the world for producing a broad range of health and wellness products, from nutritional supplements to home care and personal care. Each of our vast array of products begins here, in the manufacturing facility built by Sisel's founders. Let's go inside for a closer look. All Sisel products begin as concepts submitted to our research and development department. Here, our highly trained formulators, representing multiple scientific fields, create and analyze the formulas for safety, efficacy, and production feasibility. Once a specific product formula has been successfully devised, our production process begins. This is our receiving area and the beginning of the process that takes ideas and turns them into reality. Every ingredient, container, and component required in the manufacture of Sisel products initially arrives here. Our raw materials for production and packaging are inventoried and then placed into our quarantine area behind secure fencing. They are released to the production area only after passing a rigid inspection for quality, volume, and efficacy. Once they've passed our rigorous review, the materials are then inventoried and shelved according to their content and purpose. This allows us to maintain our Sisel Safe philosophy by inspecting all ingredients to ensure they contain no potentially harmful elements. Our state-of-the-art inventory control system relies on intelligent forklifts to move and store our materials. These electric forklifts are guided by electronic smart strips encased in the floor to locate and shelve their loads correctly. As materials are stored, barcodes are scanned and filed for inventory and control purposes. Unlike most manufacturers, this modernistic production facility has the capability to manufacture a myriad of items, including creams, lotions, powders, and liquids, comprising both non-food and food-grade products. One unique manufacturing ability is our amazing infrared coffee roaster. High-grade coffee beans are first loaded into the infrared coffee roaster that roasts the beans in an incredibly short amount of time. This roasting method ensures all the coffee beans used in the Sisel Cafe line of products retain their freshness and flavor. This roasting method is so revolutionary that only a very small percentage of the world's coffee roasters utilize the infrared process. From the roaster, the beans are then ground by our Fitz mill grinder, another innovative piece of equipment that allows precision particle size reduction so that our proprietary blend is evenly and consistently processed. To produce our powder-based products like capsules, stick packs, and sachets, we start by transferring the inspected ingredients via our sterile pipeline system to one of our clean rooms, located directly above our mixing rooms. There, after a final inspection, the raw ingredients are piped down to one of our V-blenders that spin on their axes, guaranteeing an even and consistent blend of materials. The mixed product is then sent to one of our encapsulators, stick pack, or sachet machines and is ready for final packaging. Sisel products like the Age Pill, TSX, Sisel Soak, and Fire and Ice are all made this way. The process for our high-viscosity liquid products like shampoos, conditioners, and lotions follows a similar procedure. The raw materials are inspected, then sent to a wet mixing room where giant mixers blend our proprietary formulas. This is our truly state-of-the-art water purification system, where the water used in manufacturing is purified on the premises, passing through an advanced treatment plant before being utilized in any Sisel products. Water is brought in and run through our carbon filtration system, which removes all chlorine. The water passes through our reverse osmosis system and runs through a UV light system to destroy any microorganisms that may be present. Next, the water passes through a final filter for purity. This water then circulates through stainless steel piping until it is used in separate batching rooms for product manufacturing. Our water filtration system is so effective that even outside municipal water departments have come to study it for their own use. Our liquid nutritionals are mixed and batched in a separate room, where the wet material is combined and then sent to these massive blending silos to prepare the liquid ingredients to then be sent to our filling line. The entire facility is based on a clean-in-place system, or a CIP, which guards against cross-contamination. All delivery systems and both the wet and dry product lines are automatically sterilized between production runs. The CIP process is just one more procedure that ensures Sisel's highest level of quality and value. Because of our incredibly high manufacturing standards, the production facility is a proud holder of a CGMP, Current Good Manufacturing Process certification, is a licensed CBD manufacturer with the Utah Department of Agriculture, and is an FDA-registered food and beverage facility, among several other impressive licenses and certifications. Of all the manufacturing processes Sisel uses, none is more unique or impressive than that used to produce our flagship product, Fucoidan UFG. The PowerPack Super Nutrient Fucoidan is abundantly found in the brown seaweed Limu moi, which has been used for centuries to promote good health throughout the South Seas region. Sisel's Limu moi is grown and sustainably harvested from the pristine waters off the coast of Tonga, then is frozen immediately after harvesting to preserve its nutritious value and active components. Sisel undertook a significant investment of time and resources in obtaining patents on a process that extracts 3 active biochemicals from the fucoidan molecules found in Limu moi. It's these 3 key active components that make our Fucoidan UFG beverage so potent, bioavailable, and effective. U is sulfated uronic acid, F is sulfated fucose, and G is sulfated galactose. During this advanced process of purification and concentration, the molecules are hydrolyzed or broken down into very small fragments, then sulfonated for maximum absorption and bioavailability. Sisel's Fucoidan UFG product incorporates 2 patents that allow the manufacturing of our best-selling product. And this proprietary product is just one of the many reasons Sisel is a recognized leader in the supplement industry. As the bottles enter the liquid nutritional filling line, they are first sterilized prior to filling. Then the bottles are sent to the filling station, and once filled, they are capped and sent to the chiller. The chiller allows us to bring temperatures down in order to maintain the biological efficacy of the product. Each individual product is weighed and examined for exact measurement and purity as it passes down the packaging line. The filled bottles are then sent to the shrink wrap station, which is comprised of a large steamer that seals and shrink wraps the labels on the product before it is sent through an X-ray to ensure that there are no anomalies in the finished product. The final step in Sisel's manufacturing process is accomplished when the boxed product is placed on our palletizer, where it is wrapped, labeled, and sent to Sisel's international warehouses, or to our order fulfillment center located right in the facility. In the Sisel Pick and Pack Center, products are shelved according to our advanced pick-to-light system that allows our team to accurately and efficiently pick and pack orders for shipment directly to our valued customers. We hope you've enjoyed this look behind the scenes at how Sisel International products are manufactured in this high-tech production plant. Because of the investment Sisel founders have made in this state-of-the-art facility, our products are manufactured in one of the most impressive and diversified manufacturers of consumer goods. It's just one more reason our customers and distributors are proud to be part of the Sisel family, the best in the business. Join us.